Alright, so let's take a look at the card insights at Lake Shetek State Park. This is in Currie, Minnesota. And this is right off of the main Oak Woods Campground. Down on the end here by the camper cabins. You can see we have the classic carts here. There's only 4 and there appears to be 7 sites here. So you would probably want to bring your cart back as a courtesy when you're not using it. It's Lake Shetek right here. Every time I've been here it's been a very windy lake. And it's the largest lake in southwestern Minnesota. Very nice tent pad here. Got gravel, which I'm not too fond of, but the tent pad is nice shaved wood and mud, so that's perfect for laying a tent down. And we have very close quarters here with neighbors. It does appear to be opportunities where they could have staggered them, so that's unfortunate they didn't push this one out to stagger it a little so it's not directly adjacent. This is very close to the cabins as well. But these tent pads are awesome. Main road is right here, right in front of that building. It goes right along. So you have the traffic of the cars or the vehicles. There's an example right there. That's the warden. So far these are pretty nice sites. Only qualm is they're pretty close to a lot of activity. Now here we have a reasonable distance here from the first 2 sites to these sites up here. The vault toilet is here obviously, which may also be leveraged by the camper cabins. It's possible. I'm going to scout around other campsites here as well, so we'll see. 3 and 4, very close to each other. Oh, and by the way, this is a hiking trail. So all of these sites are right on the monument trail. So there will be traffic. This is a spectacular view of the lake here. Very conveniently close to the vault toilet. Not conveniently close to this campsite over here. And that's what I call painfully close. Even if either of you whisper, you will affect the other. Now we're coming back down anyway, so we'll check this on our way out. It looks like a good one though. direct path again from one side to another. I like where this tent pad is positioned though. However, you have another site right there. You're kind of sandwiched. And the vault toilet there as well in the middle is a trifecta. I like this is where this tent pad is though. We've got a slant here. Slants don't really matter too much where you're not pitching a tent. It's kind of where you pitch the tent. The slants matter the most. You don't want them. Because this is on a hiking trail close to a whole bunch of campsites, you're probably not going to get that much privacy. This kind of depends on when you're here. And this one, the marker for 6 is almost in 5. That's very close. I like the way these sites look from inside. Here you're going to have the road over there, you're going to have a close neighbor there, you're going to have a neighbor right there, and you're going to have a vault toilet right here. So all 4 sides. And if stuff like that doesn't matter to you, then you are way more blessed than you might realize. So 6 is encroaching on trying to be more private. Ooh, I really like this layout. I like all these trees right here. Push further back from the trail here. Tent pad. Nothing over here. So trail, nothing, road, and neighbor. But another super awesome tent pad. Alright, and then off to number 7. Which is by far the most private. However, the tent pad is one of the closest ones to the hiking trail here. Still, you have no neighbors over here, you have no neighbors over there or over here, so you almost have no neighbors just diagonal across here, still pushed out reasonable as far as most campsites go. Yeah, this is ridiculously close to a hiking trail. That's insane. I could literally jump and land on it without hurting myself. Probably have to be a running jump. So the most private, all in all, however, painfully, you're almost on the hiking trail. And I would say the more popular hiking trails to hike from the main campground is on the other side. It's not this way. Still, you're on a hiking trail. Don't tell anybody. Except the chipmunks. Lake Shetek. And down this trail there's some monuments. You can see the KISS tour bus pulling up. Down this way there's some monuments. Smith Lake. But I'd recommend hiking on this side of the park. So these are all the card-in campsites off the main Oak Woods Campground. Now, I'm not a fan of any of these sites based on my own personal preference. This is a knuckle-headed layout, as I usually refer to it. Way too close to the neighbors and way too close to a hiking trail. That being said, I want to call out that kind of that way down in the park, further over, there's a Park Lake card-in campsite. It is by itself on your own lake, on Park Lake, in this state park still. And you have your own cart. It's a huge campsite. It's almost like a group camp. It is amazing, and it costs about the same as one of these would. So I do have a scout of that as well. The Park Lake card-in campsite right here at Lake Shetek State Park. I think it's a newer one, but oh wow, that is one of my top 10 favorite sites of all time. So that's a little pro tip for you. Still, if you don't mind close quarters, you don't mind the potential sounds, all these campsites, they look pretty nice to me. They all have wonderful tent pads. They're right by Lake Shetek. Take a quick look at this vault toilet, and we'll close out the scout of these card-in sites here. They're just off the Oak Woods Campground. Not bad. Not bad at all. Very nice. Doesn't smell bad or anything. It's one of the bigger ones too. Alright, so we're going to put a bow on this scout of the card-in campsites off the Oak Woods Campground at Lake Shetek State Park, located in Currie, Minnesota. FYI, the cell phone service here throughout the entire park is pretty good. It works all the time. At least it did for me. hope this helped. Thanks for taking a look. Right after this one, at this point in time on the date here, I'm gonna do a scout of the Oak Woods campsites, Sunrise campsites, and the Prairie campsites as well. And these cabins are part of the Oak Woods campsites, so I'll incorporate those with that. And then I also have a group, the Wilderness One Group Camp Scout as well, which is right by the Park Lake Cardin campsite. Which is really the only downfall of that Park Lake Cardin campsite is you're by a group camp, so that may or may not be a nightmare. But that site is awesome. All right. Take care. Also, we got more parking here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about 8 vehicles